That was good. Hey everybody, Chef John here at Urbs and Spices. I went outside this morning and there was a chill in the air, and to me that means fall. Another thing that means is pumpkin spice. I love my cup of coffee in the morning, and I definitely want to add some pumpkin spice creamer. Sometimes some of the creamers you can buy from the store, they got a little too much additives. This way, you know it's going to be fresh. It's going to have what you want to put in it. This makes approximately a quart of pumpkin spice creamer. You're going to learn a couple cool things too. You're going to learn how to make simple syrup, which translates into other recipes like cocktails, fruit purees. So let's get started. To make the simple syrup, we need sugar and water, equal parts. So we're going to put those in a sauce pot. Stir it around a bit, and then we'll turn our burner on. All we need to do for simple syrup is bring it to a light boil. We just want to dissolve the sugar so there's no crystal sugars in it. That way it will be nice and smooth. You won't get any texture to it. So every once in a while, just stir the syrup. It's going to look almost dissolved, but it's still going to be cloudy. You want to wait until the syrup is completely clear, and that way you know that all of the sugar has completely dissolved into the water. Now that our sugar syrup is cooking, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and stir that in. Give it a good stir so that all of the spices get distributed. And by adding the spice now, you're going to be heating up the spice, warming it, and some of the oils and flavors in the spice get distributed into the syrup. The syrup has come to a boil. The spices are totally dissolved. I'm going to add our pumpkin puree. It's a 15-ounce can of plain pumpkin puree. Pinch of salt, and 2 cups of heavy cream, which is also a pint, and then gently stir all those things together. And we're going to allow this to just come to a very light simmer and turn it off. Now, you don't necessarily have to use heavy cream. If you like almond milk, oat milk, hemp milk, if you wanted to use a different sweetener, you can, if you want to use agave syrup, you can just add the syrup to the pot, bring it to a simmer, and add the spices to that. It's only going to take a few minutes. It's a very quick recipe. And then what we'll do is we'll let it cool on the stovetop for a little while, pour it into a container that we're going to use to store in the refrigerator. And then it's ready to use. Every morning you have your own homemade pumpkin spice creamer. So we let the pumpkin spice creamer sit for about 20 minutes on the stove to just cool enough that you could pour it into the container. So I'm going to do that right now. Just be careful. The nice thing about this container, it has a wide mouth, so it's easy to pour into. And my recommendation is to leave it in the fridge uncovered till the end of the day or overnight, just to allow it to cool completely, and then give it a cover. I'm actually going to taste some right now. I've got a nice fresh cup of coffee here. And we're going to pour it in. Give it a stir. Oh, that's good. You know what's nice about it? It's a clean pumpkin flavor. It doesn't have that like pumpkin syrup fake kind of flavor. Got the spice in there. It's super nice. The sweetness isn't crazy. So it's really nice, and it's a great way to enjoy the season. And it's also a great way to know that you're making something from scratch for yourself. It's amazing. So thanks so much for watching. Check us out at Urbs and Spices NY. And I'm Chef John. Have a great day. That was good.